Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best Tiki torches in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Tiki brand Bitefighter torch fuel. Keep away uninvited guests who buzz and bite. The citronella and amp cedar formula provides proven mosquito repellency and amp, works with all Tiki brand torches and amp table torches. This torch features a multi-piece pole that enables you to set the height you prefer, to a maximum of 65 inches tall. They can burn for up to 5 hours on each 12-ounce fill. It can help you create an outdoor paradise with our easy-to-use, long-lasting Tiki products, designed in a wide variety of styles to suit any yard, garden, lawn, patio, or porch. They continue to innovate outdoor lighting with stylish designs and products like our mosquito repellent torch fuels, adjustable flame table torches, and citronella candle buckets. For over 60 years they've made indoor and amp outdoor torches to illuminate your yard or garden, along with candles, wicks, stakes, stands, torch fuel, and amp other accessories to light your home and amp yard. Number 2. Our second best pick is TomCare Solar Lights. Nice looking flickering flames design, realistic flames effect, which will give off a charming ambience, and our new version's appearance will bring you a different sense of beauty. Made of durable and waterproof material, no worries about raining, snowing. Perfect for outdoor use. A beautiful decoration lighting for your garden, pathway, driveway, backyard, etc. No wires needed, simply connect the stake and install them into the ground, no need to spend too much time on installation. It is solar powered, please install it at a place where you can get direct sunlight. Equipped with a high-capacity rechargeable battery. Once charged fully, it can last 10 hours in summer and 5 hours in winter. The charging time is about 8 hours. Note, charging time will be influenced by weather conditions. Built-in sensitive light sensor, automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn. No need to operate on or off switch again and again once put it into use, bringing you great convenience. Number 3. Our third best pick is Backyadda bamboo torches. Jazz up your next party with our decorative burnt sienna classic weave bamboo torches. These ornamental torches are more appealing than your average torch. Your guests will be impressed. Made of 100% sustainable bamboo. Angled end makes them easier to plant in the ground. Stands taller than others at 59 inches. An extra large metal canister holds 16 ounces of fuel for a long-lasting burn. Wide mouth canister makes adding torch oil, not included, more manageable with less spills and drips. Comes with fiberglass wicks which last longer than cotton wicks. Flame is easily extinguished with a wooden snuff cap. Bamboo is highly durable and more resistant to moisture and heat, but as with any outdoor product, they will last longer if brought indoors during long periods of harsh weather. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Tiki 118035 Island King Lanai Garden Torch. This big, bold torch has a contemporary metal frame with a weather-resistant new silver gunmetal finish. Its uniquely designed torch bowl keeps the flame burning bright, even in the wind. This torch comes with a magnetic metal snuffer to help extinguish flames and amp cover the wick when not in use. Their twist and amp pour technology makes adding fuel easy and mess-free. It can help you create an outdoor paradise with our easy-to-use, long-lasting Tiki products, designed in a wide variety of styles to suit any yard, garden, lawn, patio, or porch. They continue to innovate outdoor lighting with stylish designs and amp products like our mosquito repellent torch fuels, adjustable flame table torches, and amp citronella candle buckets. For over 60 years they've made outdoor torches to illuminate your yard or garden, along with candles, wicks, stakes, stands, torch fuel, and amp other accessories to light your landscape. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Matney bamboo torches. Add functional appeal to outdoor entertaining with real oil burning torches. Features fiberglass wick, wooden snuffer cap, and speared bottom. Full flame lasts more than 5 hours when filled with citronella oil, not included. Illuminates a beautiful glow and stays lit in light windy conditions. Torch fuel acts as mosquito repellent to keep pesky bugs away. Refillable 16-ounce canisters last for more than 5 hours before needing refill. Easy pour system makes refilling easier with fewer spills and an enjoyable experience. Works with most torch/citronella oils to add a luminous ambience. Ideal for backyard decorating and lawn lighting. Festive accent to luau, beach, tropical, or jungle-themed party, graduation, celebration, outdoor concert, wedding, July 4th, Memorial Day, Labor Day, etc. For outdoor use only. Sustainable bamboo construction. Stake base plants firmly into the ground with speared bottoms. Each torch has a fiberglass wick and wooden snuffer cap. Measures approximately 60 inches long, tiki oil not included. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.